Hi, I'm Laurie. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm making another side dish that goes really well with pizza. So it's called a citrus salad. So first step would be to prepare and wash your greens. And today I'm just using arugula, and I've already washed it and spun it dry using the OXO salad spinner. And I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. So at this point, I usually will chop up a scallion or two and mix it in with the arugula, cover it, and set it aside until we're ready to serve our salad. Okay, so now we're going to make our dressing for our citrus salad. So the first thing we need to do is remove the segments from the orange. So you're going to cut off the edge of each side of the orange. I think you need to cut down even further. Oh. Okay, and then you're going to remove the peel as best you can. And you need to use a pretty sharp knife to do that. And there's a special term for that, for this style, but I don't really know what it is. And try to remove as much of the white membrane as you can. White. And you can use a smaller knife to kind of remove more of this. Then you're going to remove, just cut around the segments. If you have a little bit, it's okay. Tried to pick a big orange because I thought it might have a lot of segments and a lot of juice. And the remaining, after the segments are removed, just take it to a bowl and squeeze out as much juice as you can. Then I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I think I'll try to get rid of the rest of this stuff. And a little bit of salt. Maybe a half a teaspoon of sugar. And mix it together. And I cook mostly by taste, so I have to see how it's, so you want kind of a sweet, salty, citrus, and a little acidic taste. It's good, but I think I'd like a little bit more acid, so I'm going to put a little bit of lemon in. I think that should be good enough. And just remove any leftover pieces of peel that might be in here. And then add your vegetable oil. And I would try and use a flavorless oil, not like olive oil. Because this dressing should have a pretty clean taste. And I'm not a heavy user of oil. Just enough so that the arugula will be coated. And then I'm going to refrigerate the segments and the dressing and until we're ready to serve. So now we're ready to dress our salad. You want to do that just before you're going to serve, when the arugula is still really nice and cold. This is really one of my favorite salads because I think the citrus pairs really well with that peppery bite of arugula. And sometimes I add additional fruit. Like today I'm going to use some blackberries because they're in season, and a really firm Bosc pear sliced up really goes well with this salad too. So I'm going to add some pepper, just as much as you like. I'm going to put in my salad dressing, my oranges, some of the blackberries, and this citrus dressing really cuts through the richness of food like pizza. So you just want to toss to combine. And you're ready to serve. And you're ready to taste. Delicious. So if you like our content, please give us a thumbs up. And your new subscribers are always welcome. And we love hearing from you, and we read every single one of your comments. So thank you for visiting our channel and watching our video. So until next time, bye.